welcome to Freeborn Life. My name is Carly. Today we're going to be working on the living room and the kitchen. I try and get the living room and the kitchen done every single day. That is my main goal, to always have clean and tidy in our house. It's the area that we used all the time, so it's always a mess, but it's always the one area to always get clean by the end of the day. I have two young girls. I have a daughter that's a little over 2.5, and my other daughter just turned 1. So the toys are a little bit crazy all over the floor. So we're gonna tidy up the toys off of the floor first and foremost. I did leave this clip in. This is why stay-at-home moms feel like they're constantly doing things but never get anything done. So as I am tidying up the toys, my one daughter is literally just dumping and pulling out the same toys I've put in. So unless she's napping, that's the only way I usually can get it all shoved in the cupboards before she even notices. But if she sees me tidying up, then typically she's right behind me dumping, because right now she's just at a stage where she loves taking things out of buckets and baskets and then putting them into a new container, or just literally dumping, because that's a lot of fun to her right now. This video did take over 2 days to film. I just wasn't getting what I needed done the first day. Like I said, my daughter just kept making a mess. So I did get the toys tidied up, and then by the end of the night I tidied up again, and then the next day I tidied up again. So it's been tidied up probably 3 times since you see me the next time when I go to vacuum. But My husband had the girls outside, so I was able to vacuum and mop and wipe things down and get the rest of this area just tidied up and somewhat clean. But yeah. So I ended up mopping 2 times. I only show me mopping once, but after I dumped the first bucket, it was so dirty that I had to do it again so it would run a little cleaner. It's been a little bit since I've mopped, not too long, I think about a week, but still it's crazy how much dirt accumulates that you don't actually see until you start cleaning, and then you're like, oh, that's awful. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope I gave you some motivation to do your own cleaning, or I hope you cleaned along with me. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.